Hi, I'm Rex Seawright. This is my bounder. I bought this bounder 10 years ago, and I've been wanting a new one. And I keep looking at the new ones, the things, the amenities I want, and I heard about Art's work. And I decided that after about a year of talking with Art that I can build my new RV with this one. One of the first things I wanted was an outdoor TV. So Art cut a hole in the side of my RV. You put this wonderful TV in there. Look at that. Nice. Speakers, big screen TV, paint matches. Beautiful. Got what I want. So while we was talking about that, I said, let's do some indoor TVs. Come on in, I'll show you what the inside looks like. One thing led to the next. I got my built-in TV, took out the old tube TV, put in a big screen TV, did all the woodwork to match it, new stereo, new sound system, and of course one thing leads to the next. We modernized the valances, cut them up and reshaped them, reclothed them, put the MCD blinds in, screens, daytime, nighttime. We black out the front. It just doesn't get any better. All of them black out. We did the bedroom TV. This was a tube TV. Now I got a flat screen TV. Got the shades here, and that's it. You know. I recommend Art. I'm coming back. We're going to redo my shower next year. This is all coming out. Nice glass shower, new fixtures, new flooring. Put a drop ceiling in, and I highly recommend his services. He's done a wonderful job. It's pretty much, oh, backsplash. We put a new backsplash in. This was just a temporary wallpapered backsplash, so we put that in. And that's about it. 3 TVs, screens, backsplash. We're ready to rock and roll.